Hi students, let's understand Pythagorean triplet. Step-by-step explanations for grade 8 CBSE. Before you start solving question, it's important that at least concept is pretty clear. Now what is Pythagorean triplet? It is a set of three natural numbers that satisfy this rule, where A is one side of a right triangle, what you see it on the screen, B is another side, and C is the longest side, which is termed as hypotenuse. Let's understand step by step. Suppose we have three numbers, 3, 4 and 5. Now what you will do? Square them. So 3 square is what? 9. What is 4 square? 16. What is 5 square? 25. Now you add the first two squares. That is 9 plus 16. That will give you 25. Now since 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. So the numbers 3, 4, 5, they form a Pythagorean triplet. Let's see example. One more example. 5, 12 and 13. Now 5 square is 25. 12 square 144. 13 square 169. Children, it's a request that from 1 to 25 you can learn all the squares, and that will help you to faster your calculation. Now what is the next step? You need to add 25 plus 144 is giving you 169. So 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Therefore 5, 12, 13 is also a Pythagorean triplet. The important point, what you all have to remember, the largest number is always written last. For example, let's take the number 3, 4 and 5. So the largest number is 5 in this. 5, 12 and 13. Likewise 8, 15 and 17. So always the largest number is written last. Children, some quick trick for you all. For numbers like it is given on the screen 1, 101, and again the numbers are repeated like this, their squares, if you see, they form a beautiful pattern. So what you have to do, count the number of ones. Let's see, then write the numbers in order. Now you see here we have 0, 1. How many ones? 2, then 3, and it goes on. So what you do here now, you reach the highest number. Then reverse back to 1. For example, let's understand. 4 ones, that means you have to go up to 4 and then back. If suppose you have 6 ones given, then you have to go up to 6 and back. So if the number is given on the screen, what you can see, how many ones are there? We have 6. Let's calculate. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it becomes 1, then 2, then 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6. So what is the other method? Now you need to reverse back. Again reverse, it's 0, 5, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 2 and 0, 1. Hence, this is your answer. I hope this trick are clear to you. This was the short video to make you understand what is Pythagorean triplet and these type of questions how to solve.